Hello students, welcome to Sourav sir's classes. Today we are going to give you some information about MCOM. So MCOM is the short form for Masters of Commerce. It is a postgraduate degree which focuses on commerce, accounting, management, and economics related subjects. The course mainly includes thesis based components, and there may be some research based elements included. So it also has thesis based components and also research based components. The minimum eligibility criteria for commerce is that you should have completed your BCom with at least 50% marks. The admission is generally done through a common entrance test conducted by various universities. Certain universities for example, University of Delhi offers merit-based direct admission, but for this you must be from the University of Delhi itself. To get admission through merit base into University of Delhi, the average fees for the course varies from 3,700 INR to 12,000 INR for 2 years, and the top universities are University of Delhi, Amity University, Noida, Bangalore University, and the University of Mumbai. On the successful completion of your course, You could be working at top companies such as Yes Bank, Canara Bank, Hindustan Unilever, Nestle India, Cadbury India, Asian Paints, and many more. Your job profile can be that of an accountant, finance manager, operations manager, financial analyst, account executive, and again many more. Thus, to know more about the course and also more about the entrance examinations, you can call, WhatsApp, or message us at 98367 93076, or mail us at www, or rather you can visit our website rather than mailing us at www.souravclasses.com. Thank you for watching the video.